Start it.
Good morning, teacher and good morning, teacher and dear friends. I have to introduce myself. My name is T. Dinesh. I am studying 9th class A section NJPDPC. Boys, Raghunathparam, Khammam. My father name is Ramesh. He is farmer. My mother name is Sharada. She is farmer. My brother name is Dilip. He is class 8th class A section.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anand.